With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. Here the question is, at what pH does indicator change color? If the indicator is a weak acid, here we are given with the value that is 4.0 into 10 raised by minus 4. This is our A part. In the B part, that will be followed by the A part only. For which of the following neutralization would the indicator be useful? So here we are given with the three reaction neutralization. Okay, so here third is, name the indicators which can be used for such titration. So for first we need to find out the pH, then on the basis of pH only we can answer this question and this question. Okay, so here what happens is, in journal cases we have these reactions for the indicators. Okay, so here for this reaction if we write KIN, that is this one, then it is equal to H plus In minus concentration, and upon we have HIN. Okay, so now what happens is, here color change will be at the pH. Color change, okay, color change happens when HIN is equal to this. Okay, now if these things are equal, if these two things are equal, so here what we can do, here KIN will be is equal to H plus concentration, right? It will be is equal to H plus concentration. Okay, so here what we can write, minus log of KIN, and here if we also have minus log of H plus. Okay, so here it will be PKIN is equal to pH. It means that for the color change we need this condition. Now we are already given for this value. It means that pH will be is equal to minus log of KIN. So KIN value is our 4.0 into 10 raised by minus 4. So pH is equal to 4.0 minus log into 10 raised to minus 4. So how here it come to be equal? Because these two will be cancelled out. Okay, as these are equal. Okay, so here we have pH is equal to this. Okay, now we know that this term is equal to pH, that's why we have substituted it. So pH is equal to this. So here pH is equal to minus log 4 plus 4 log 10 to the power 10 base 10. Okay, so here we know that this term is equal to 1. This term is equal to 1. So here we will have 3.4. pH is equal to 3.4. Now in the first part we have got the answer, that is pH is our 3.4. Okay, if the pH is 3.4, now this was our A part. This was A part. Now let's solve the B part. For here first highlight here, for the first we have our answer 3.4. Okay, so now in the second we want to see that for the pH 3.4 which neutralization will be better. So then here for this case the neutralization of strong acid plus weak base, because if we see according to the pH scale, here it is 0 to 14, this is our 7. Okay, so here this is basic and this will be acidic. So 3.4 is our acidic nature pH. Okay, it means if this is the acidic nature pH, it means the solution should also be acidic, and if there is strong acid and weak base, then the solution will be acidic. Solution will be acidic. Okay, so here in the first we have strong acid plus strong base. Here we have weak acid plus strong base. Here we have strong acid plus weak base. So here our answer is option number 3. Why option number 3? Because when there is a strong acid, strong base, strong base, then the most chances are the solution is neutral at the pH 7, because both are strong. And in case of strong base plus weak acid, its obvious solution will be basic, because here the strong basic nature dominates. So here our answer is HCl plus HNO3. HCl plus NH3. Okay, NH3, because this is our weak base and this is our strong acid. Okay, so here our answer is option number 3. Now name the indicator which is used for this type of titration. So here we have the titration, that is strong acid plus weak base titration. So in case of strong acid weak base titration, 4 indicators are used. First is methyl orange. Second is methyl red, methyl red. Third is bromethymol blue, bromethymol blue. Okay, and the next is our bromocresol green, bromocresol green. Okay, so for the methyl orange, our pH range is 3.1 to 4.5, 4.2 to 6.2. Here we have 6.0 to 7.5, and here we have 3.8 to 4.6. Okay, so for the strong acid weak base titration, mainly the range is from 3 to 7 or 8. Okay, so that's why these indicators can be used. Okay, so this is our required answer for the 3 parts. Okay, this is our required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.